I hope the angle is proper. Hi guys, she's back. Yo. Hello, hi. Molweni. Hi. I was actually getting a bit of an energy depreciation as I was getting ready. But as I was putting on the camera, setting the angles, I got that energy. Hey girls! I missed you. I missed this. I missed me. I'm going back to my roots. Guys, everything has changed. There's nothing that hasn't changed. Everything has changed. And we're back to Johannesburg. She's a Johannesburg girl. Yeah, we're back in Joburg. The last time we spoke, we were in the middle. We were in the Midlands of KZN. But we're back in Johannesburg, girl. And yo, guys, wow. Life is like an adventure. Life is an adventure. It's an adventure. But I'm back. Okay, let me stop yapping because I'm actually running late. Okay, what should I say? We'll catch up. We'll catch up. Okay, we'll catch up. But for now, we are making our way to the clinic. We're going to the clinic to remove my implant. And guys, do you know that I have been on contraceptives for 6 years now? 6 years. And with an implant, like once you put it, like that's it. Because I did try to remove it last year, but then they were like, it's not time, girl, it's not your time. So it's time. So yeah, we're going to go remove my implant at the clinic, and then we're going to the library, and then we're going to Discom. Not particularly Discom, but we're going to the mall. That's what we're doing. Hi guys, my name is Maneli Simapasegantinga. Welcome back to my channel. Wow. That felt really good to say. Let me go. Let me go. Like, who gets... And I'm going to a public clinic, girls. Because I know the first time I wanted to put an implant, I was trying to do it via private practice. And they were telling me about paying for an implant, yada. I'm not sure what it's like now, but if you want to protect yourself from teenage pregnancy, I'm 25, guys, but it's still a teenage pregnancy. But if you want to protect yourself, go to your nearest public clinic, nah? Ask them to give you one implant there. They're gonna put it in your arm and you're gonna be good. You're gonna be so good. Okay, I'm living proof, guys. When they said 99.9% guarantee, they meant it. Guys, let me go. I'm going to the clinic and do one. Like, am I serious? I'm going to Sundown Clinic, the one by Nelson Mandela Square. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the library. Guys, I haven't gone to the library in so long. And then I found a library yesterday. Well, I guess it was always there, but I just searched for it. And then I found out I'm so close to a library. I'm so close. So we're gonna go to the library. I'm returning to my roots, guys. That's what's happening. Like, I'm ngibuyele emasokweni. Yo, let me go. out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone pole. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. MAOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me stressing. Guys, so I'm still at the clinic on the whisper because I just took it out and he tugged it. He tugged. But it's out. Now we're going to the library. I hope it's still open. It's so late. Okay, bye. You might know when you already have my milk box food. So what? You bought a pair of shoes. But now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call and what you do. I give them back to the dude with you. And so what? Mama like you. Now I guess you think I will do. Even if you don't say it like you do. I don't really care if you do. But pick out the window. I cut the phone pole. Break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call. My new spot. This is my spot. Yup. A quick little do a 5 km stroll. Come to the library. It's not hot, then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house. And it's not hot that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without you tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess, cause you can't keep. This might be so random, might look entirely insane, okay? But like something is so delicious about sitting under the sun. Like, oh my god. I'm like sitting here. Like, I'm letting my face just be kissed by the sun. And I'm just like, oh, this shit slaps. It's really the simple things. It's in the simple things. It's in the simple things. Wow. I'm done with my book. I was reading Dream Counts by Chimamanda Adichie. And I finished it. Now I have nothing to read. So I was just sitting under the sun. I actually wanted to start watching like a little comedy something. But I feel like I might just go on a walk to continue this. But I'm also enjoying the laying. Guys, this isn't even like a real vlog day. This is just like a random moment. Okay, bye. Okay, morning my girls. Wait, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. This what? Yeah, like there's something about touching a tree. Something about being in the middle of just nature does something for me. Like, I'm not as sad as I was when I entered here. When I entered here, I was quite sad. I was quite sad. Now I'm just a normal gal. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna spend hours here. I also bought like my journal, bought like a little snack. I'm basically planning on just being inside nature today. That's my plan until I'm good. But let me show you what I'm looking at. Look. How pretty. So pretty. Okay, let's go, gang. Let me get this started. You know, I didn't even like properly look at what path I'm doing. It's not about path. As long as I'm lost somewhere inside nature, it's cool. And I also think I should listen to uplifting music. I was listening to Same Old Mistakes by, well, when I left the house this morning, my sister was listening to Auntie. So I had an Auntie feeling, but now I'm thinking, no, man, I need to listen to Paradise or something. I need to listen to Paradise and be grand. Okay, let's go, guys. But this feels good. I wish there was a bench. Yeah, I wish this was a bench, but it's not a bench. Oh, this is kind of where I am. The same. Okay. Ito banana. I'm really returning back to nature. I just spent like a good 30 to 45 minutes just like sitting. I'll show you guys where I was sitting by the water and like sunbathing and like kind of meditating in a way, and I kind of just reached flow state and I got lost in the sauce. Just went deeper and deeper. Oh my god, I went so deep. Like me standing up and coming to sit by the bench, because I was actually sitting on the floor, like right by the water. Literally, like removing myself from there was hard, because all I wanted to do was just sit there under the sun and just breathe. And the sun hits so perfectly in that particular spot. Like the sun hits the water, was hitting my face. That was the most perfect angle. Chef's kiss. I wanna go back there. I'm not having that much fun anymore. I wanna go sit there. But I moved because the sun was just cooking me entirely. I should have bought a hoodie. But like, I don't know, guys. Yeah, I was going through something. Oh, guys, people showed up. That's why I kind of stopped recording. But it's also like, do I have any more shit to say? But it's really pretty there. I love it there. Like, it's really pretty. There's like a point where you can see like this, the view of like the city, like Jersey type shit. It's so pretty. I just checked to see if I was recording, but it's just like so pretty. Even what I'm looking at now, like so pretty. Like look, like so pretty. Like, this is like my favorite way to feel any emotion. I initially came here because I was sad, and I really felt the sadness nicely. Like, I sat with it, I let it pass through my body, I breathed through it, and I high-key wanted to like ask one of my friends to come and have it like just be that, but then I was like, no, let me go by myself so that I'm not particularly distracting myself from the emotion, but I can just feel it and just sit with it until I'm okay with it, and then just move on with life, honestly. Yeah. Actually, you know, I kind of have to keep reminding myself that I'm on the first day of my period. I just removed my implants. My hormones are crazy. Like, I have to constantly remind myself that, girl, it's okay. You're just going through something, okay? But also, I'm trying to take good care of myself in this transition. I made like this okra with hibiscus and lemon and cloves cold brew. Like, I had some of that, and I had some of like these ginger and garlic shots in the morning. Like, I'm trying to drink my health. Yeah, trying to do something for my body. But yeah, guys, I'm sure people were passing me thinking this girl is insane. That time you said the body, like actually, like I'm sad about. I'm literally sad about, bro, like about you. But shout out to coping mechanisms, guys. Yo, shout out, because we need a way to cope, like in this life. And because God, guys, please also just remember that I'm on my first day of my period, and I just removed an implant I've had for years that was controlling my hormones. Never forget, throughout this, never forget. Oh my God. I'm having such a craving, but I also feel like going home would be cute. Like going home, playing like a podcast. Ooh, poor minds, poor minds. There's a poor minds episode. I already finished it because we said so. Episode of the week. That was such a cute interview. Shout out to the girls. Shout out to Amanda DuPont. That was very cute. That was cute. That was cute. But then I'm gonna listen to some Poor Mind, Unwind. Ooh, but I still want a journal. I bought my journal. I need to journal before I leave because I haven't journaled for the day, and I said I would journal here, so I need to journal here. Okay, guys, bye. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It was sunny. Yesterday we left. It's at the park, yeah, at the nature reserve, and I'm at the park again. But this is our ritual, my friend and I, sunbathing at the park on a Sunday. I hope you guys can hear me. And I actually ordered a mic because I realized that I can't speak loudly. So I hope you can hear me. Morning. Look at my view.
It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you weren't cool, but it was game you had.
Hey girls. I was editing this vlog that you're seeing right now, and I realized that I don't have an outro. So I was like, let me record one and record an exciting one because we have a delivery. We have a delivery, girls. So let's unbox and let me say bye. Guys, there's no electricity. Hi. The electricity left. Hi. I'm feeling down. Okay, cute. So this is what I got. This is what I got. I got phone cases. Sorry you guys, my mind is lagging. Please bear with me now. I got phone cases. Yeah, I got phone cases, and I specifically wanted to get phone cases that give me something, you know, hence the messages behind. Blessed is she who believes that the Lord would fulfill his promise to her. I love this. Love this. Oh, I love this. But it's a bit flimsy, hey? Wasn't expecting it to be flimsy. I thought, oh, it's not. I thought this was a mirror. It's not. It's just, but it's cute. It's cute. I'll put it on my phone and see. And then, oh, this is cuter. This. Hey, cute. I actually thought I would start with this one, but then I think I'm gonna start by this one. It's never like it's always God. Cure. Guys, this is literally, my phone case is just my vibe right now. I'm in such a blaga. I don't even have the language for it, guys, but I just know. I'll explain later. I'll explain on the next one what I mean, but just know. And then this was actually the purchase. And then I was like, let me get phone cases because why not? This was actually my purchase. I'm getting back into my gym bag, and I'm also trying to grow an at-home gym set. Does that make sense? Yeah, I'm trying to grow my at-home working out sets. So I got these. I got some elastic resistance bands. Oh, nice. This is a medium. Oh, damn. I love it when the people on Shein, like, bachelor iqiniso, like in the reviews. I love truthful reviews. Let me see. Wait, let me see. And then no, I can't put it like that for that exercise. I have to find another way. But cute, guys. So I have a medium. I have a light. What am I gonna use that light for? Oh, I can use them. Guys, I've been stretching every morning of my life and flexible zhuang. I couldn't do this. at first. Like, comfortably do this. Yeah. Even my hip flexors are like so flexible now. And then the heavy one. But like, why are they, how am I? Ugh. Are people this big? Guys, nag. No. I'm trying to figure out, y'all, how because this thing is super long, hey? It's very big, very big. So I'm wondering when I want to use it for exercises where I need it to, like, for example, fit around my legs. Are these things even different thingies? They're not. Okay, they are. What's this now? This is light. Okay, that is light. But the heavy is not heavy, y'all. Oh. Okay, they work. I'm tripping. Let's see. Nah, but this is not heavy for real. Like, there's not much of a difference between the medium and the heavy. Okay, guys, I love you so much. Thank you for making it this far in the vlog. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye, Bochomi.